so get into the lashes. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm in Michael's right now. Today is Friday. I just got off work. So what I need to do right now before I go get my pedicure is find a crochet hook. I have to find a 9mm crochet hook, which is pretty big. I thought I had big ones, but this is 10mm, so it's something around this size. So gotta get that. Like I said, I'm getting my pedicure. Just wanted to check in really quick. I'll be popping on. It's been not really a busy week, but a good week of work, editing, all that good stuff. So I hope everybody's having a good day while you're watching this vlog. And yeah, I'm just gonna bring you guys with me on this weekend. I have a couple things planned tomorrow. Yeah, so I'll check back in later. Where is the 9? 8. 9 looks like it's going. 6.5. Wonder if a 10 will work. At these giant hooks, needles. Look at this. I don't know what size this is. It says it's a 25mm hook. And look at this netting needle. I mean, look how huge that is. Way bigger than my finger. Great rising. It is Saturday. I am headed to my lash appointment. It's 8:30. I'm going to get me a little breakfast. I ordered some panera, so hopefully that's done here in the next couple minutes so that I can make it on time. My appointment is at 9 and I'm super excited. I've been thinking about this all week. I was gonna get my lashes done last week, but I'm like, let me wait until closer to Christmas. I mean, at least then I'll be doing something other than sitting in the house working. So yeah, I am going to get that done. The lash tech told me not to drink any caffeine this morning, but I had to have just a little cup of coffee. But caffeine really doesn't do me that bad. She was just saying she doesn't want my eyelids to be jumpy. But I drink decaf anyway. I mean, not decaf, half calf. Because the caffeine, it does affect me. I just don't drink excess amounts of caffeine anymore because it does make me jittery. So yeah, headed to do that. I wanted to come on and say, hey, this is basically weekend vlog. So I want to do some Christmas baking today, so we'll see how that goes. Yes, I do have the same hoodie that I had on yesterday. But yeah, I want to do some Christmas baking, so I really am trying to be done in the stores this weekend, like ASAP. I basically ordered all my gifts off of Amazon, but I have to get a couple of things, like some frames for gifts, and then I'm pretty much done other than like getting food and stuff. Getting food for baking, so that's the only other thing, like ingredients. So I'll probably do that today, and then me and Merce are going on a date tonight, so I'll take you guys with us as well. But yeah, I just wanted to check second. I'll come back and show you guys how my lashes look when they're done. I'm so excited. Hey y'all, so get into the lashes. I'll show y'all a close-up in a second. I impromptu basically am coming to the Christmas parade in Van Wyck. Hold on. Sir, excuse me. Where can I park to get in? Okay. Thank you, sir. So, parking to see the parade in just a second, and I'll show you guys. It's very small because Van Wyck is very small. The horsey.
Yes. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Aw. See, these are smaller than the ones we rode.
Good idea. Good idea.
Merry Christmas. It's raining, but we're here. Gotta go down ice skating. It just started raining a bunch, y'all. But ice skating is supposedly rain or shine. So let's see. The lights are pretty, at least. And there is the ice skating rink. It's covered, so we should be good. Should I turn right here, baby? You think I can park on the street?
Yeah, right here. Oh, it's just
Somebody behind me? Or this one up here?
oh, that one.
It's easier.
Yeah.
This is closer.
They're lighter too. They're not. Yeah. My sister-in-law do them.
Oh, really? currently doing just a little bit of baking. I am, I guess, in the holiday spirit. So it's Sunday. Told y'all I would take y'all with me this weekend. We basically just went to the grocery store today. Basically slept in a good bit as well this morning. So now I'm baking. I'm going to make a sour cream pound cake. This is probably my first pound cake, especially definitely from scratch. So we'll see how it goes. If y'all, well, I guess everyone's new here. I love baking, especially during the holiday. I love to bake for my family, make things like brownies anytime I can, but I'm gonna try a cake today. And then I also got ingredients to make a sour cream, no. So the pound cake is a sour cream pound cake. I got ingredients to make red velvet cheesecake brownies. So I don't know if I'm gonna make those today or wait until like closer to Christmas to make those. I don't like to experiment so close to the holiday, but somehow I always end up doing it anyway. So yeah, but I'll probably put a time lapse in of me doing a little bit of baking, show you guys how everything comes out. And that pretty much does it for today, for the weekend. This is probably a short vlog, but I did just want to take you guys with me. I had that impromptu Christmas parade yesterday, and then last night we went on a date. Saw the Christmas lights and went ice skating. That was really fun. I know y'all were like in the videos. It's probably like, okay, you're using the skate assist, but it was crazy because yesterday it was literally like 70 degrees and raining. So the ice had melted and it was like slush. So I was like, I'm not about to risk slipping, falling, and messing up my cute outfit. So I'll just use the skate assist. But nonetheless, it was fun. A great way to just kind of chill this weekend and relax. And I'll be doing that the rest of the day too, watching some Netflix once I get done baking. We're also gonna make a little bit of a seafood pasta, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, thank you for tuning into this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope y'all are doing well this holiday season. Let me know in the comments if you have plans for the holidays or what else you want to see on my channel. I didn't do Vlogmas this year, maybe next year, but I would love to create some amazing content for y'all in 2022, and I just need some ideas. So let me know what y'all want to see in the comments. Thanks for the support as always, and I will see you on the next vlog. Maybe I had the stove rose uneven, so you could tell it's darker over here. But I'm about to taste it and see how it was. Cut a slice. Let's see. Looks good.